Tension gripped Ratlam after a trader distributed biscuit packets containing balloons printed with Pakistan Independence Day flag and Urdu text reading Jashn-e-Azadi. Police arrested wholesale supplier Dilip Kamria, who claimed balloons were meant to attract children. Local were furious, saying national sentiments were hurt. The case is now being probed by Jhalawar police as the incident fall under their jurisdiction. Cambria supplies goods to a small shop. Authorities are investigating the source of the controversial balloons and how they got mixed with food products. Community leaders have demanded strict action, calling it a serious breach of public trust and national pride. Shocking visuals from a school in Jhabua show a woman teacher beating a student with a stick and even using her slipper while police officers and school officials looked on. The incident happened at Balak Higher Secondary School in Pital. When officers intervened, the teacher snapped, saying, "Who are you to stop me?" The video, now viral, has triggered widespread anger among parents and citizens. Education officials say an inquiry has been launched and strict action will follow. The case has reignited concern over student safety and unchecked behavior by teachers in rural schools across the state. In Gujarat's Ahmedabad city, a BJP leader's driver was allegedly assaulted by Police Inspector Chandrakant Patel on September 17. The driver claimed he was abused and beaten without provocation. The incident quickly turned political after the leader contacted Senior Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya. Police Commissioner Santosh Singh ordered an internal inquiry with ACP Aditya Patole leading the probe. The case has raised serious concern about the police conduct, especially involving ruling party workers. If the inspector is found guilty, senior official promises strict action. Meanwhile, political tension have risen, with leaders demanding accountability and departmental transparency. Political drama is unfolding in Singrauli after a no-confidence motion was filed against the municipal chairman. Councillors from Congress, AAP and BSP jointly submitted the motion, accusing him of misusing power and failing in governance. The district administration will now fix a voting date. If the majority supports the motion, the chairman will be removed from office. BJP councillors are scrambling to save the post amid growing pressure. The issue has created a buzz in local politics, with citizens closely watching how alliances shift and whether the chairman can survive the floor test or not. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav launched Wildlife Week celebration at Van Vihar National Park in Bhopal by flagging off new tourist vehicle. He announced new zoo will be developed in Ujjain and Jabalpur. The CM said Madhya Pradesh leads in conservation of leopards, elephant, crocodiles and gharials. He emphasized restoring ecosystem of land, water and sky and praised initiatives like Cheetah Mitra and Elephant Mitra. Officials say the new project will boost tourism and wildlife awareness. The event aims to involve citizens in conservation efforts and promote ecotourism across the state. Panic broke out in Jabalpur during a Navratri Kanya Bhoj when young girls ran from a women's house claiming they saw a black magic setup. CCTV footage shows them fleeing in fear after spotting lemons, vermilion and a doll placed in a ritual circle. Local accused the host of performing witchcraft on the children. Police arrived at the scene and have launched an investigation. The women claim it was a part of a religious ritual, not black magic. The incident has sparked fear and confusion in the colony. Officials say strict action will be taken if foul play is confirmed. A 22-year-old youth, Rahul Sahu, died in a road accident in Shahdol's Budhar area after his scooter collided with a car due to poor road condition. Enraged locals staged a protest by placing his body on the Budhar Amlai road and blocking traffic for nearly 6 hours. The protest ended only after Collector Dr. Kedar Singh reached the spot at midnight, promising immediate road repairs and compensation for the family. Residents said multiple accidents have occurred due to potholes. They demanded permanent road improvements and better monitoring to prevent further loss of life. AIIMS Bhopal is set to become the first government hospital in Madhya Pradesh to offer robotic surgeries. A state-of-the-art robotic system worth ₹30 crore will be installed under a project called RAISE, Robotic Assisted Intervention for Surgical Excellence. The initiative is being funded by Northern Coalfield Limited as part of its CSR contribution. Officials said the technology will allow doctors to perform complex procedure with greater precision and faster recovery time. Training of medical staff is already underway. The move is expected to improve access to affordable world-class treatment for patients across central India. Although the monsoon is retreating, the weather department has issued a rain alert for Madhya Pradesh over the next 4 days, including Dussehra. 12 districts have already seen monsoon withdrawal and complete exit is expected by October 10th. Despite the rain warning, official confirmed MP recorded 45.2 inches of rainfall this season, 7.8 inches above the average. Farmers are optimistic as crop have benefited. However, festival plan could be affected in some areas. Citizens have been advised to stay cautious and plan travel accordingly, especially during upcoming celebrations.